The nutritional supplement business is booming, and for good reason. Never before have consumers been so aware of what's needed to thrive in mind, body, and spirit. Supplements are now a superior solution for approximately 85% of the U.S. population, leading to the highest growth year for the dietary supplement industry since 1997. But not all supplements are created equal. Much like everything else we consume, knowing the quality of what we're putting into our bodies is where the difference lies.
Over my 42 years in the dietary supplement industry, I have toured hundreds of dietary supplement manufacturing facilities, and there can be a tremendous difference in quality between them. And the answer really is it's the values of the ownership and the management of the company, because they make the decisions about building the best product possible. That means buying by far the best quality ingredients from wherever they are around the world, and very carefully testing those ingredients and rejecting the ones that don't meet standards, and having competent and carefully trained staff in the entire operational procedure. The people that will manufacture the raw materials and put them into a capsule or a tablet, on the production lines, bottling, packaging. Perhaps most important are the analytical laboratory staff, where millions of dollars of analytical equipment are making sure that the product is exactly as the label says.
There are tests in place that can detect contaminants in finished products. However, you cannot test quality into the product. So it's essential that the manufacturer or company that owns the product has a quality management system, or a QMS, that is designed to build quality throughout the entire process. And that QMS has to be developed and implemented to be compliant with current good manufacturing practices, or CGMPs, that are dictated by the Food and Drug Administration. Those are designed to ensure that you consistently manufacture products with a quality throughout the entire process and ensure that they meet their finished product specification.
The manufacturer is the heartbeat of the dietary supplement industry. This is where all the important decisions are made. This is where quality is established. This is where consumers build confidence in the safety and the effectiveness of the products that they buy. The manufacturer works with the raw material supplier and the brand holders, but it's the manufacturer that really is producing the product that we all take.
For Americans, to have confidence in their supplement choices, industry experts at Premier Research Labs encourages consumers to research the brands and manufacturing partners, and then ultimately vote with their dollars.
The consumer of these dietary supplement products needs to do their homework to make sure that the products that they're buying do not contain contaminants and toxins. And that's done by evaluating who the manufacturer of those products are and doing your research on those particular manufacturers. Those manufacturers will be transparent about their quality management system, or their QMS system, that's designed to meet those current manufacturing practices, those CGMPs, and they will be very outspoken about their quality systems that are designed in that QMS program.
Due diligence has become the norm in just about every decision we make. Choosing the right supplements requires the same attention, as certain manufacturers come clean with transparent, traceable documentation. The hope is for the rest of the industry to follow suit.
We go the extra mile to ensure quality because we believe it's the only way to do business. Our founder was very sick in the 80s because he put his trust in a brand that was not being transparent. As a result of that, he consumed some contaminated vitamins because of a poor purification process. He became very sick, and he built his business from the ground up with that philosophy. We believe that everything you put in your body needs to be fully researched through trust and transparency. And that's a lot easier to do if your quality has nothing to hide.
At Premier Research Labs, quality control and assurance starts with the team. This highly trained group of individuals helps to ensure that the quality of every product is maintained throughout the entire manufacturing process.
This company was founded on the premise of a poisoning by GMO tryptophan. Because of that, we have developed a culture of quality without compromise, which was a value driven from that incident. And because of that, we source organic, non-GMO, sustainable raw materials and partner with the best minds of the industry to validate those are the best raw materials in class.
In order to reduce the carbon footprint, our top leadership decided to invest and purchase 624 solar panels that will produce 175,000 kilowatts that offset 47% of the energy bill. Besides these systems, we invested and replaced 71 HVAC systems with better energy efficiency rating that will reduce the CO2 emissions by 30%.
The most important thing about our company is for over 30 years, we've been providing high quality nutritional supplements to practitioners, consumers, and patients to increase their health span. And through sourcing premium, organic, sustainable materials is our hope that we have ensured that there is no doubt in that customer's mind that they have the best-in-class product for purity and potency.
To learn more about Premier Research Labs products and services, visit prlabs.com or call 800-325-7734.